Hello and welcome to another episode of Cold Email Teardowns, where I take the emails that I see in my inbox and I boost them up. Having a well-written cold email is the key to booking unlimited meetings and stacking your agency so that you can start making a life-changing amount of income online. I know that sounds kind of sketchy, but that's exactly what we're doing here. So in today's video, I'm going to tear down this email and we will make it better. Let's see. It's from a copywriting agency. Div sent this one over. This is from his spam box. Div runs the marketing side of the team. And today's email is from a copywriting agency. Oh, that's a sick burn. I'm just going to blur the names. That's what Div has said here. So let me delete this, so then you can just have the email here. Like and subscribe, CTA, when you're tearing down the video. You heard it from Div, not from me. Like this video, subscribe down below, and we'll have a ton more cold email content. Before we jump into it, I'm known as the cold email king. We've sent millions of cold emails in the B2B space. Cold email is sending a message to somebody that does not know you in order to introduce yourself and get them to buy from you. And it is the most game-changing skill you can learn, because once you have identified that you can sell anyone without knowing them, now everything is open to you. Do you want to sell to Fortune 500s like we sell at X27? Well, you can. Do you want to raise VC funding for your startup? Well, now you can. Do you want to get your dream job? You can. All of that's possible by mastering cold email. And that's why I love it so much. So let's look at this email. Subject, kickoff. Hi there, I'm with Acme Group. We're a professional writing agency that provides copywriting services, including blogs, case studies, white papers, etc. Q1 is the ideal time to revamp your company's copy and get 2022 off to a great start. Do you need any assistance with copywriting? Here's a direct link to my calendar. Okay, Happy New Year. What's the issue with this email? Number one is it's very feature focused and there's no offer. There's no offer. So what I mean about that is Acme Group is a professional writing agency, which, by the way, I think Div changed the name to Acme Group. I wish he had the actual name so I could put him on blast. He did this. Why do you do this to me, Div? You know the pleasure I get of hating on other companies. Why would you take this away from me, Divid Sharma? I'm with Acme Group. We're a professional writing agency that provides copywriting services, including blogs, case studies, white papers, etc. So this is the issue. So you do have something you're selling. You're selling blogs, case studies, and white papers. So one, I would pick one of those. What's the actual offer? Are we selling blogs? Are we selling case studies? Or are we selling white papers? I'm going to pick case studies, but you could really pick any of these. Now, we're picking case studies. We're a copywriting agency that sells case studies. Now, once we have the offer, here's the formula of what you need to go through when you're writing your cold email. So you need an offer to a target audience with a specific benefit. Offer, target market, specific benefit. So the offer is case studies. The target market is who? There's no target market listed here. And because it says Acme Group instead of the actual company, I can't look at the company. But without that, I'll just guess. Let's say the target market are people like us at X27 Marketing, where we're an agency. And we do have case studies here. And we probably could use better case studies. So let's use us as the base here. Case studies plus target market. Target market is going to be marketing agencies in the United States. And the specific benefit would be a case study. I know I don't want to write that. A case study of the case study. Case study. So for instance, case studies plus marketing agencies in the US, and then you'd share a success story. So you're selling case studies. What's the benefit? Recently, we helped XYZ company do Y, and it got X results. I'm going to take this watch off. I don't know all you guys who can type with watches. I'm not one of those guys. So now that we have this basic data, we can move into the 3 C's of cold email. The 3 C's of cold email are compliment, case study, and call to action. If you have all 3 of these, your emails are going to be a lot more successful. So let's rewrite it now that we have all this data. Hi there, I'm from Acme Group. We're a professional writing agency. So instead, we would say, hi, Div, or hi, Divage. And then we would have the compliment. Compliment would be, huge fan of your agency. or huge fan of the name of the agency, so agency name, so huge fan of X27, love the work you did with Hunter Media. Now, so that's compliment. That's number one, compliment. Now, number two is case study. And this is gonna get confusing quick because we're writing a case study about case studies. I specialize in writing case studies that drive more clients for agencies like yours. Recently, I helped Dom and Tom write a case study, web design that has already generated $150,000 in new business. The first part of the call to action would be, I'd love to do the same for you. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Alex. And then the subject of kickoff, I would just use quick question. If you want our high-performing subject lines, you can get them at alexberman.com/subject. So here it is. Subject, quick question. Hi Div, huge fan of X27. I love the work you did with Hunter Media. I specialize in writing case studies that drive more clients for agencies like yours. Recently, I helped Dom and Tom write a case study for web design that has already generated $150,000 in new business, and I'd love to do the same for you. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Alex. And there you have it. Use that. Help boost your copywriting business. If this helped you at all, let me know in the comments below. Would love to talk about it further. And if you want me to take a look at your cold email campaigns, then join Cold Email University, post in the private community, and I would be happy to take a look. That's at coldemailuniversity.com. Thanks for watching the video. Would love to post a ton more of these, but only if you guys like them. So leave a comment down below and let me know if you want to see more content like this. Smash that like button to encourage this type of content on YouTube, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.